Huawei Mate 10. This is Huawei's last flagship phone to sport an earpiece jack. It's forgotten in favor of a lot of trendy Mate 10 Professional. However, this non-Pro model is healthier at maintaining bequest options, together with this port and therefore 16:9 ratio. Despite starting off last year, its specs still foot dragging well to the present day. OnePlus 6. OnePlus brags concerning being one amongst the few makers to own associate inners on all their phones. Together with the recently launched OnePlus half dozen, it is one amongst the four most powerful phones will purchase with this feature, and it doesn't price a fortune. ASUS ZenFone 5Z. We have to relinquish credit to ASUS for all over again making a whole flagship smartphone. Whereas ZenFone 5Z doesn't essentially shine, its comprehensive nature makes it a go-to various for those that cannot just access to a OnePlus half dozen or just love ASUS normally. Vivo NEX. It's one rose to believe. However, even an artistic movement smartphone like this retains the port we have a tendency to all understand and love. On one hand, the NEX is kind of hefty, and therefore the pop-up camera won't be everyone's cup of tea. On the other side, it's a sweet mixture of notch-less styling and throwbacks to phones or the past. Nokia 7N. As the most reasonable entry on this list, the Nokia 7N is the most effective mid-range choice with an audio port. We have a tendency to additionally love its build quality and pure mechanical expertise, two things that our unit are sought after because of the port itself.